Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's make ourselves some moolah today. Gonna get screen share up and running. Get screen share up and running in 3, 2, 1.5. Boom. Screen share is up and running, baby. 7 August 8th. Damn, we might see RIP the bear market. Lasted for about 5 trading days. Or 5 total days, not even 5 trading days. Rip. I was really hoping we got some more pullback, unless we're doing some sort of bear flag in the daily chart, which with today's gap up's not looking super likely. Could, but not super likely. You'll never be worlds apart. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, I did not mean to do Greg dirty like that. I just wanted to get off. I followed my procedures. I took 3 losses, and so I was like, you know what? I got to walk away. And honestly, I look at that as a skill that I've developed over a long period of time and that every trader develops, is the ability to know you're not having a good day and just walk away. Because what I used to do years ago is I would just keep trading and try to claw it back and get myself in a massive hole, and that just doesn't work well long term. Just doesn't work well long term to do that. Hey, good morning, Jackson. Good morning, everybody. What's up, YouTube? What's up, Develop Quill? Pleasure meeting you yesterday at the DMV. Hey, it was nice meeting you, bro. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. What's up, Thomas? Mental health with David. Yes, sir. What's up, everybody? How's your guys' morning going? How's everyone's morning been? Good morning from New York City. Hey, let's go. Hey, what's up, Sam? I'm just letting y'all know right now, I might be up more than usual in this live stream. Your boy has a medical procedure today that I had to prepare for. What's up, Desmond? Welcome, bro. Between family history and some tummy issues, your boy has a colonoscopy today. Let's just say I've been up and down quite a bit. Making money out of your ass isn't a medical problem. That was good. That was good. You're starting off the morning with the winner. Discipline over dopamine. That's right. What's up? Is TradingView good for futures? I don't like to trade on TradingView, but I do like charting on it. I do enjoy charting on TradingView. A colonoscopy is where... Not the start I thought we were going to have. A colonoscopy is where they go up your rear end and take a look at your colon and internal organs. Yeah, I got to make up for that L yesterday. I traded terrible yesterday, bro. Terrible, man. Happens, but disappointed. I did not trade well yesterday. I managed it. My Tradeifys took a hit, but... And there's a chance I don't take any trades today either. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all being here. Apex is currently 80% off. We've been having more and more people come in, say they got funded, say they got paid out, and that makes me very happy that these live streams that we're doing are making a difference. So I appreciate y'all being here. If you're looking for funding, yes, sir, make sure you use code Jdun with Apex, Tradeify, or FFF. I'm going to do my best to help y'all pass, too. We win together, we lose together. Yesterday, I was not winning. But we're coming back stronger today. Yes, sir. What's up? Javen, what's up, Team Bull? Let's get to this paper on this beautiful morning. Blessing all the way, love. Yes, sir. Blessings back to you, bro. Blessings back to you, my man. Make sure to choose discipline over dopamine today. Choose discipline over dopamine today. That's what we do. I'm bummed that I can't go to the gym today. Got this stupid medical procedure. Whenever I can't go to the gym, I feel like I'm fiending. Y'all feel like that whenever you can't go to the gym? Feel like you get itchy, you can't start fiending? It's like a part of my life, bro. Kind of sucks I can't go to the gym today. Yeah, it's tough. It's definitely not ideal. Not ideal. Discipline over dopamine in your trading today. Confirm trades. Have conviction. Execute with risk management. So basically, the market's going to be choppy AF today. Well, it's a possibility. Well, here's the good thing. We're going to have a very interesting indicator today. Because of my medical procedure I have at 11:30, I have to leave for it by like 9:45. And there's going to be a lot of me getting up likely. Maybe. So you guys might have multiple opportunities for the market to move in your favor. Let's just say that. Let's just say that. Let's say that. Appreciate y'all being here, everyone. If you're on TikTok, appreciate y'all tapping that screen, hitting that like button. I'm also live on YouTube as well. And if you're on the YouTube, appreciate you being here. Hopefully you guys liked my latest upload on the orb. I have a ton of good education for you guys in every single video that I post. And I always am trying to help you guys get more confident, trade smart, trade safe. and trade with discipline over dopamine. So appreciate y'all being here on YouTube, hitting that like on the YouTube live, and sticking around. I'm going to do my best to find you some winners today. I did not find winners yesterday, but I'm going to do my best today to change that around. I'm going to do everything I can, guys. That much you have my word on every single day. At least when we lose, we keep it managed. We keep it managed. What's up, Jonathan? Yeah, we're on a little early today. Gene is... Where's Gene Machine? I don't know where Gene Machine is. Gotta check his location. Gene had a great day trading yesterday. He did way better than I did, which makes me happy. I always... I could literally be the only one red out of 100 people, and I'd congratulate each of them. Congratulations. I'm glad you're green, Because trading isn't a competition to me. I've made millions of dollars doing this over the years. And day trading and crypto. And education. And online business. To me, I look at the long-term game. If I can teach this and help as many people as I can win, while winning myself most of the time, that's a win. If I lose 1 day or 2 days or 5 days, it don't matter. You know who had a great day yesterday was Brando Commando. Brandon killed it. Brandon's been trading very well lately. All jokes aside, I'm very happy for him. What do y'all know about the Arrowhead Mountain spring water in the can? Tell me what y'all know about that, baby. Tell me what y'all know about the Arrowhead spring water in the can. That's that ultimate guru pack water. Oh, don't bro what me. You know what it is, baby. You know it's fire. Come on now. You know what it is. Don't hate the player. Hate the game, baby. Uh-oh, Gene is here. He's in front of my house. Hey, I don't drink beer. I've never been drunk off beer in my life. I mean, I haven't. And you know what's crazy? Damn, I missed my 15 months. I didn't even realize it's been 15 months of no alcohol on the 5th of August. How did I miss that? I wasn't even thinking about it. It's crazy. August 5th was officially 15 months of not a sip of alcohol. And I'm feeling great. Thank you, guys. I know it's, compared to some of y'all, it's not crazy, but 15 months is 15 months, I feel great. I don't even think about it anymore. It's, and I was never really an alcoholic, right? Hey, SL Brett, that's amazing, bro. I just drank more than I wanted to. When I would drink on a Friday and Saturday night casually, it would impact my sleep. I wouldn't be up at 5 in the morning doing my Murph challenges. It wasn't serving me in any purposes. And, if you love to drink and moderately do it and casually do it, that's great. A lot of people like that. And if it makes them happy, do it. But it wasn't serving me. There was no positives. And I've still never had someone tell me a true positive to it, right? Like, oh, what about socially? I'm like, yeah, it can't amplify things socially, but I have fun sober socially. I'm just a fun, goofy person in general. So that's how I look at it. It's a lot of people enjoy it casually, and that's great. I used to love me some margs. Y'all used to remember Jdun on the margs. Don't get it twisted. In the Nuggets games, oh my. Strap in. So as far as the NASDAQ today, we are currently very gapped up. We closed yesterday on 414. We're sitting at 6. So we're 200 points gapped up. As far as the daily chart, let's go over our higher time frame levels. So as far as our 4-hour, interesting. We are above that 4-hour impulse candle fair value gap. Looks like if we can hold, the next target's going to be 700, but if we can hold above 700, then the next target would be up at those all-time highs. We also have a demand area. If we could go down to 510 area, down to 500, I will watch for a bounce today. I'm definitely going to watch for a bounce around 500, 510. Dude, right, SL? It's just different, bro. Not a lot of setups today. As far as our individuals go, let's see. Not a lot of movement pre-market on Tesla. Pretty flat compared to the overall market. NVIDIA, slight $2 gap up, so decent. AMD, $3 gap up. There's something there. Got a gap fill up to 171 too. That could be a watch today as well. If we can hold above this 166. What's up, Gene? We're playing Russian roulette here.
What?
With my laxatives. For my colonoscopy.
That's the laxative too. Better watch out.
I know. We're chilling. I haven't eaten solid food in like almost 36 hours. Everyone say good morning to Gene. Say hello. You got your Team Bull shirt on? We got our work uniforms on. Why are all of y'all not wearing Team Bull shirts? We're all coming to work together here. We got to be on the same page here. Is the Shopify store back up yet, Gene?
No.
I got to pay the bill, huh? All right, I'll get the bill paid today. In honor of it, maybe I'll give away some shirts or something. Who wants a Team Bull shirt? Oh, yeah. I'm going to customize one just for you, Big Zo. It's going to say Orb Lord on it. Hashtag Team Bull. Hashtag Team Bull. I have a kid. I have a almost 2-year-old. My kid turns 2 in 2 weeks. All right, y'all. I'll be right back. I'll be right back, Mr. G.
What's up, guys? Should I full port his account? I'm trading on my laptop. I have to wait until he moves to get my setup right. Go big, go home. Which chart is he pulled up? I haven't looked at the market. Oh, hell no.
Are they being nice to you, Dean?
Someone said, damn, Jdun went and injected melanin.
Hell no, that's the vibe we're on.
And strong.
Damn, Gene got on the screen and someone commented, damn, Jdun went and injected melanin. Y'all are absolutely ridiculous, bro. Absolutely savage. Dude, just ripping, bro. Oh, ho, ho. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. You want to look at my face, Big Mac? Should I get another face cam? All right. I like this this 500 area for a bounce. It's a ways away, but if we can get a move down, I will watch this for a bounce with a stop below like 470. I like that area a lot right now. That will be an A+ setup for me.
Watching this level right now, 68.5. This level will be the new follow level after 10 a.m. Right now, this level. I'm watching it for possible application. The weapon market will go up. With the gate, absolutely.
We got some. What are your main levels for today, Greg?
Main levels are 23476, 23505, 23671, 23705. I'm watching this new level here right now, 608.5. When I look in the higher time frame per hour, it's forming a pattern to go down. So I have a feeling that it will probably go up, grab some liquidity above this level. 608 and then.
Jay, what up, bro? I trade the orb as well on my YouTube channel. We got a link, brother. I love your style trade. I trade totally diff with a custom strategy. That's awesome, bro. You know, actually, I seen someone comment. I'm not sure if you're still here, but comment your name before I had seen you. Welcome to the channel, bro. I'm gonna check you out, right? Meow. I hope you have a blessed day with some massive winners, baby. With some massive winners. I'm glad you won with the orb yesterday because I got crushed trading. Nuked. I'm going to watch ES today as well, not just NQ. I'll watch my baby. Me and Spy, we broke up for a little bit, but I think we're getting back together. I think we're getting back together. Me and my baby Spy. Love that girl. She is the best.
Potential trade on ES could be from 6431 to 6391 to 6431.
Ooh. Have a great day, bro. What's up? Hey, Danny. Good morning. What's up? Woo. Mm. All right. Last sip of water for the morning before I go to the procedure in 3 hours. Bang! An opening bell. I have a colonoscopy today. Between some stomach issues I've had and some family history, it was covered by insurance. So yeah, your boy might be getting up a little more frequently during this live, if you know what I'm saying. We're all family here. We can be vulnerable, right? I got a colonoscopy today. I got something going up my rear end. What's it to you? As you get older, you will too. I mean, I'm pretty young for one, but it just makes sense with some of the stomach issues I've had and some family history. So might as well be safe than sorry, right? We're all family here. I have a colonoscopy in 4 hours between some stomach issues I've had and some family history. Just it's covered by insurance, so figured may as well. We're all family here. We can talk about that stuff, right? So your boy might be taking a few more breaks from the live today since it's in 4 hours, if you know what I mean. Probing time. That is messed up, Azon. So that's what he calls it at his house. All right, y'all are absolutely out of pocket, bro. I'm trying to come back with a winner today after yesterday's performance. Y'all sitting here saying I'm going to get probed. What's wrong with you? Probing time? My main watch today is that 500 area bounce for as long as I can trade. I mean, there's a good chance I don't take any trades with what I got going on today. You're in shorts? Greg's in shorts. Off the rip, Greg's in shorts. Too early for me, but I hope it just nukes down for you, bro. Where's Grizzly at? I haven't heard him speak yet. Grizzly Glock, you here? Maybe he can't hear us again. I'm going to be very patient on my trades, especially after my, well, for lack of better words, not great performance yesterday. I'm going to be very cautious. Wait for 5-minute closes. I like that 500 area bounce for longs and NQ. Let's see, as far as ES goes, let's check out our ES levels. Yep, I like that 390 area bounce. It's a ways away, but I do like that 390 area bounce. Yeah, not my style for sure, but Greg's a killer. He has a great win rate. He catches some really big trades, but it's going to come with some losses too. I don't like trading the first 15 minutes. My track record sucks when I do that, so that's why I waited. Never trade on colonoscopy day. Yeah, no, we're gonna see about that. We're gonna see how we do on colonoscopy day. We are definitely going to go lighter size today if I do take a trade, which I'm not sure I will, given the, yeah, we will it be a dump indicator? Make a Christmas card? Make a Christmas card? You are absolutely out of pocket, bro. One really nice trade is all I like today. Gonna wait for the first 15, 20 minutes. Wait for my 5-minute confirmations. Back to the script. Back to the script. You know what looks decent too for individual names? I don't trade it a lot, but this Apple like 215.5 to 216 area bounce doesn't look horrible. There he is. What's up, Grizzly? How you doing, bro? Dude, what is wrong with Brandon, bro? I'm literally going to fight this kid next time I see him. Just out of the blue. All right, let's just let Team Bull see what type of friend Brandon is. Besides the fact of just paying for all of his meals, always. Mr. Cheap. His first name is Mr. Krabs. His second name is Brandon because he is cheap. Yeah, and little bites. Let's just pull this up here while we're waiting for this first 15 minutes to play out. Let's just pull this up for the chat here. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh yeah, not chat, Brandon. We're talking about Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs himself. Let's see. Let's put this up in Oh, I'm trying to post a picture. It's just not letting me. There we go. This man is paying for lunch and dinner for a while. I don't know, bro. What's wrong with this guy? Bro said, have that butthole ready, buddy. They going deep. Of course, that's what Brandon's thinking about. Oh, that's out of pocket. Hey, you keep talking. When you're older, you get your colonoscopy. Just know I'm keeping receipts for when you're 40. 50.
All right, he's mad at you.
Brando Commando?
Yeah, they just called him yesterday and they're pushing his rap out because they're doing youngsters.
Yup. Good. Hey, Gene.
What?
Check this out. Just read that. And Rich is Superman. Appreciate y'all being here, everyone. Make sure y'all tap in, hit that follow button. I trade live for you guys every single day, Monday through Friday, right here on the live streams, YouTube and TikTok, and of course, inside Team Bull. Make sure y'all tap in, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's learn and level up together. As a reminder, I do my absolute best for you guys to pass your challenges, get funded, and of course, the main objective is to build your live accounts. So make sure you guys use code Jdun if you're trading with Apex, Tradeify, or FFF for best possible discount and for payout protection.
When did they come?
I can't believe that Apple, text Maddie. That Apple was literally so close to my bounce level. 216 to 215. If you guys look at the daily chart, just looked beautiful. Just didn't quite get down to that area of risk reward. Didn't quite get down there to that area that I wanted to see. For this, what up? I know we're ripping. You gonna set it? Oh, whoops. Why do I have a 55-minute time frame? Okay, let's do the let's do this. Do this. Let's mark our highs and lows. What I'm going to do for screen share from now on is I'm going to have ES and NQ both up. I'm going to have both of these up right here. We're going to keep both of, oh my gosh, it ripped. Yeah, I'm open to trading more ES for sure. What's up? Welcome. First morning here. Welcome to the live stream, John. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Appreciate you being here, hitting that subscribe button and joining me live every single day. But you got to promise me, if you join these lives, you choose discipline over dopamine, baby. We choose discipline on the stream. We choose discipline, baby. It's a lot more chill on our streams, but we do have a very high percentage of winning. Not yesterday, but usually. Let's see what chat thinks. Which way are we heading? Bullish or bearish? What do you think, Gene?
Honestly, I think we're bullish, but I don't know. It really just depends on how this 15-minute closes and where we close.
We're in between. For the orb potential in ES, it actually looks better as far as price targets on ES. We'll see. I still like my bounce area on NQ down at 500 area. It's my main bounce. My main bounce for today on NQ. Nothing happened to the Zoom. We're still here. We're just vibing. Staying patient, looking for trades. Staying patient, looking for trades. Looking for some trades. We do have gaps to the downside to fill on QQQ and SPY as well. That's a good observation. We got some nice bounce levels as well. 567. Yeah, the bounce on QQQ would be like 568. I do like that NQ 500 area. Demand. I like it a lot, actually. I like it a lot, actually. Just stay patient until we get there. Or like 63.90 on ES. Looks solid. Looks very solid. Yep. Takes one good trade a day, 20, 30, 40, 50 points a day. Keeps a lot of life's problems away. How are we doing this morning, TikTok chat? Got a lot of new people in here every single day. I appreciate y'all being here, hitting that follow button, top left corner. Most people get on these social media apps and they waste time, they brain rot, but not you. You are learning something today, and hopefully going to help you make some moolah. Appreciate y'all being here. Okay, guys, our 15-minute range is in. Greg and the NQ shorts again. Round 2. Where'd my oh, here's where that went. Don't they not like us? Nice job, Greg. Way to come back. Yep, 4-hour demand there. Yes, sir. That is right. That is correct. We got 4-hour demand down there. What was your entry? Nice job, Greg.
599. Thank you. And 32359.
So 20, almost 30 points.
Yes. Let's see, I'm aiming for this 505 for our level. Let's see if we get it.
Almost. Nice job, my bro.
Thank you.
Gonna stay patient for these next few candles. These next few candles. Woo! What are you watching for, Grizzly Glock? See anything you like, Mr. Grizzly? Are you alive, sir? Blink twice if you need help. It's a great idea, passionate trader. What up, dog?
Put that away.
How'd your day go?
Up 600.
Damn, Gene made $600 without me. Menti Gene is up $600 right in front of me. And that, what'd you just do? You just put your laptop over there because you're done. That's great.
I'm up 4,300
You're up 4,300 in the week?
Yeah.
Damn, bro's beating me. Menti Gene is up 4,300 on the week.
Stop loss are breaking, guys. Let's see. It's very small. Don't do it.
I do trade live every single day. I just don't take a million trades.
Don't do it. You're gonna stop up.
We might get this orb confirmation on ES. I don't like that wick up. And I've
Sorry about that.
technically got it there. That's the low of day, 97.
So another break from red and green.
Watching this ES. I don't like where we closed right there. We had a massive, or not massive, but a decent sized wick up. Let's see. I'm going to try a small piece of ES shorts on this pop up at 6.0. Hold on. Haven't entered yet. 6.0. If I click buy, I'll let you guys know. 6.04 to 6.05. All right, I'm trying a small piece. Try a small piece of ES shorts with only a 3.5 point stop loss. So it'll be above 6.407. Colonoscopy size. So keeping my risk very small. We got the close below. I don't like that wick up, but the risk is so low here that it's worth a shot. If we get this lower high, keep stops above the trend setting candle, and then move down. Only risking a few $100. Keeping it very light, especially after yesterday's losers. Got the confirmation on the 5 minute, so it's worth a shot to me. At 1-to-1 here. I'm going to go ahead and trim here at 1-to-1 just because it's colonoscopy day. 4 points of profit for 3 points of risk. I'd like to see a low a day, but I did take a little off here. My ES. I want to see a low a day out of this, though. That will make our risk reward solid. If we can break down 63.97, my price target is 63.90. I want it to dump like me all last night for the colonoscopy. Pause. I'd like to see us move to low a day. Come on. Move it down. 5 points so far. Well, now 4. Give us low a day, baby. Come on. That last candle looks good with that close. Come on. Oh, shit, my hard stop just got hit, guys. My hard stop just got hit. My hard stop got hit, and I am just over break even. Wow.
What was that?
I don't know. My hard stop just got hit, though. My hard stop just got hit, everybody. My hard stop got hit. I thought we were going to have a nice green day. We're still barely green, but man, my hard stop is hit. I am not in this trade. We could keep going down. My hard stop is hit. The hard stop is hit. I'm out of the trade. I'm out of the trade. I really had high hopes for that. I don't know what the heck that was. My hard stop is hit. Wow, I got a massive green. You guys aren't going to be ready for this. This massive green day. My hard top that got hit. Yeah, literally immediate 8-point move on ES. That's what I like about ES, though, is that it's not as many points. So NQ, with how aggressive it moves, you get a lot more slippage versus ES, unless it's a massive 20, 30-point move. If we close this candle strong in the 5-minute, you can look for the reverse orb too. At its max, we got about 6 points out of that trade, with only 3 points of risk. 5 to 6 points for only 3 or 3.5 points of risk. So I'll take it. I think wholesale inventories is in 3 minutes. We don't have data at 7 or at 9:55. We have data at 10. Well, thank God I took that first trim. It's AMD. AMD looked good. I had a price target on it of 171, and it's at 171. We talked about that this morning. We didn't get the test back down to 166, but if you look at the daily chart there, you can see. I am doing no alcohol. Yep. It's been 15 months. I was really hoping that was going to be a nice 2-3 hour trade. The setup honestly looked really good. I think I'm really going to start liking to trade ES. Do you ever trade ES, Grizzly?
I used to, but I got into AMQ.
Yeah, I don't know. Just for how much I used to dominate SPY, it's like, why not, you know? That's how I think of it. Well, AMD is about to fill that daily gap. Never got the retest back down intraday. Tesla flat. Is NVIDIA falling a little bit? Oh yeah, NVIDIA is moving too. I still have not sold any of my 400-ish shares on NVIDIA. I haven't taken any profit. We had some nasty ads inside Team Bull too. We had some nasty ads inside Team Bowl. Some nasty ones. I should be selling covered calls. Appreciate y'all being here, everyone. YouTube, appreciate all y'all being a part of the stream, baby, and choosing discipline over dopamine. Make sure if y'all haven't already, you tap in, hit that subscribe button, hit that like on the stream. It means the absolute world to me. I will always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, get paid out, and then eventually build your live accounts. That's my #1 objective for you, is to not be prop traders for life. They can be a great tool, but I want you guys focusing on building your own live funds as well. All right, let's see where we're at here in terms of why are both of these. Here we go. Technically speaking, it's valid for a bounce down in this area, but I'm likely going to be done for the day with my slight green. I still like that 63.90 area for a bounce. That was my main bounce area. I will not be chopped up in this 15-minute range again. But if you go from low to high a day, this is our 50 to 61.8% range. You have this higher 5-minute candle with higher volume. Just not super keen on taking more trades, but that's what I would be watching, is a hold of this and then move up. You talked to Maddie, Gene?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Said if they call you, let me know. Go there.
Oh, cool.
Since we're gone by then, breakfast should be up already, so she can do it. I want to sit on the couch until they're gone.
Okay. Am I nervous? I'm chilling. Oh, for the... No, not at all, bro. It's just annoying having to take all the meds and stuff. I don't like anesthesia either. I just don't have time for it. Oh, I just realized too, NQ's at its orb level. Closed above. 629, 641. I just realized that too, looking at that. ES is lagging a bit behind. It's technically valid. NQ orb is valid. It closed above London high and above 15-minute high. So if you want to take it, you just keep stops. What's here? 607, 17, 27, 37. You can try it, but you keep stops below 630 for lower risk and then below like 608 for 607 for higher risk. You guys like having both ES and NQ mapped out on the screen for you? No, you don't? No one likes it? All right. Well, I like it, so. Still got to decide how I feel about it when ES and NQ aren't moving. together properly. And we close back below here. So no dice for me. No dice for me. I'm glad you guys like it. Go see if you like it. You like both? Everyone on YouTube, you guys like this more? GD does. He trades live in Team Bull every single day. As a reminder, tomorrow is Free Friday inside Team Bull. Free Friday. So I will put the Discord link in the YouTube as well. Traders. I'll put it in the link as well. Tomorrow's Free Friday, so make sure y'all tap in. I just pinned it in YouTube. If you guys have a Discord account, make sure you guys join the free Discord. We have Jared Tendler every other week. You have access to our personalized trading psychology coach and performance coach. You get access to free live streams with no lag and much more. Lots of good stuff for you guys there. So hope if you guys join the free Discord, you guys get a lot of value from it. XRP is sleepy money. I don't know about XRP. A lot of y'all are in the cult. You guys might attack me for saying that. Sorry, Panda. If you're on Apex, just use Tradeovate. Tradeovate's great. I'm just happy to be small green today. After yesterday, we'll take it. We'll take it, baby. All right, we failed the 50 and the 61.8. If we fail this again, could be another test for shorts. This is the move I wanted to see. This is the full move I wanted to see, but we had that aggressive for no reason candle. That what I call for absolutely no reason candle. See if we can get down to my price target on ES. $63.90 is my bounce area, guys, on ES. $63.90 is my bounce area. We're currently sitting on ES 6400. $63.90. We should see some. Nope. $63.97. Like 63.90 down to 63.87. So I'm going to look for some confirmation in there. The one and low is 63.83 as well. Just some aggressive selling, though. I don't love that.
Thank you, short sir. Thank you, shorts. Entry 598.
Gonna watch for this move to London low here. Or if we see some confirmation in this area, this is my longs area. For ES, not NQ. See if we can get a slower trade confirmation.
Pull the trigger on them longs as soon as Greg enters, doesn't it?
Okay.
VWAP bounce. What I was looking at there a little bit is fast. Okay, congrats.
He's calling me. Oh, shit. Hello? Hey, how's it going, man? Oh, yep. Be there in 3 minutes. All right. See you in 3 minutes. Bye. Thank you, Gene. All right. Let's watch how this 5-minute candle closes on ES. This is exactly the selling I wanted to see earlier. Had it not been for that Trump candle or whatever it was, would have still been holding.
This one is my stop loss.
404.
Trading days feels like I got a horrible feel. Entry.
So I have two potential options for us. We either see some sort of reversal confirmation in this zone down here, or we look for a pop-up and failure for shorts in here. You guys know I don't like just to blindly buy, especially when we're nuking down. If I'm going to take a bounce, I like to see confirmation first. I do think that we could get some opportunity in here based on the higher time frames. So 383, 4 hour. Yep, I'm watching for that too on ES. White Tiger. For sure. For show, for show. Pop up to like 635.3-ish on SPY. On ES, like 63.97. Aggressive volume here, huh? Watching this carefully, guys, so I'm not talking as much. I'm focused on watching this price action. This was a nice aggressive push down candle here on ES. Just no retest back up, even to the 397 candle low.
Look at the cross section yesterday when you threw this exact same time.
Watching this ES. Love to see us confirm a bounce in this demand zone. Either that or a reject 63.97 to 6,400. My only issue is that we never touched. We're below this 15-minute low. And we haven't touched this London low. So just waiting for confirmation. I'd like to see this 5-minute candle confirm on ES. Let's see, everybody. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, choose discipline over dopamine. Good trading is supposed to be boring, my friends. Good trading is supposed to be boring. We trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and choose discipline over dopamine, everybody. That's what we do. No confirmation in this candle either for a bounce. No confirmation in this candle either for a bounce. Brandon's long. I don't blame him. Just being a little more careful. This is the area I like. I'd like to see us sweep pre-market low first. But I don't blame Brando for going long. As far as the 4-hour chart goes, it looks decent. The 1 hour and 4 hour. Just need a little more confirmation from me. A little more confirmation for me. For shorts, I would have wanted to see this pop back up into this area. This would have been beautiful. Your trading patience is refreshing in comparison to overhyped traders on social media. Thank you, Trey. Appreciate you, bro. Do my absolute best to show you guys what patience and discipline over dopamine looks like every single day. I don't just tell you. I show you with this and with the physique, baby. We choose discipline every single day. I'm sorry, Azov. I feel you, bro. That was me yesterday.
Looking, yes. One more trade maybe. This level 382. See.
This would be the area. NQ is still not broken below. It's 15-minute low. That's crazy. Still need more confirmation for me, guys. No trades until I see more confirmation. We never got that retest back up to this area for shorts up here. And we have no 5-minute confirmation for the longs. So if I don't see 5-minute confirmation, I ain't taking it. So G, you go over there?
Yep.
And we're still on into shorts.
Nice.
There was just 2 beds.
Oh, nice.
That is everything.
Oh, no, just the beds. And a 5-minute close with higher volume below the pre-market low. Oof. Yeah, I can't long that. think we're going to go for those gaps now. Market's selling off. Those shorts I had earlier, bro. Yeah, NQ's struggling a bit. Let's see. The high here is 613, 584. 93. I called the drop, but it stopped me out first. I mean, I got a little gain off it, and honestly, there's nothing I could really do about that. Don't.
Oh man, those empty shorts.
They would have paid. You're telling me, bro.
Yes, right now because we are already level 277. Watching price action. Okay, one more. Let's see.
Don't. You guys, a reminder, I have a ton of valuable videos on my YouTube as well. So whether you're watching the live stream here or if you're on TikTok, heading over to the YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I have a ton of value there. Tons of value. Ugh. Interesting reversal candle here. If we can hold this. Two interesting reversal candles. What up, G Unit? Aggressive reversal candle.
Yes, right now. The thing is shorts. This could be my left right. Let's see. Yes, shorts.
See how the 15-minute looks here as well.
Then 3, 3, 8, 2, 6, 3, 8, 2.
Hope it rips for you. Hope it rips for you, my bro.
Yes. Overtrading. This will be my last one. Keep going down, maybe. Keep going down. Going down. I'm gonna put my stop loss at breakeven. I haven't trimmed yet. My stop loss is at breakeven. Just in case this price action stays today. Yes, shorts, SPY puts, SPX puts. Let's see if we can get 6371. That would be 11.8 on yes, which is a lot. Going down, baby, keep going down. Stop loss still at break even. No trims yet. And green, but I want one more.
Nice job, Greg.
Thank you.
6 points so far.
Yes. But I haven't trimmed yet, so let's see.
Very nice job, sir.
Thank you. Aiming for 6371. Away. Okay, stop our break even. Flat trade. It's okay. Yes, this precession. That's why I put my stop loss at break even. This precession is tough. Really tough today.
The previous 5-minute candle nearly looked like a reversal.
Well, it did. See how this 5-minute. If we get a strong candle here, I'd be interested in going long too. If we got 2 of those back to back. Other than that, nothing for me. We're still below 15-minute, or excuse me, London low on on NQ, on ES. We're not quite there on NQ. Below the 15-minute low on NQ though.
Stop me out again.
All 5 of those accounts are not me. This dude made 5 different accounts and added.
Going on today.
Yeah, I totally spent my time making lots of fake accounts that will ask you for crypto.
Even yes is tough today. It's okay. Flat trade, it was a flat trade. Anyone make money with the ES shorts? What's the power here?
Appreciate y'all being here, everyone. As a reminder, make sure y'all tap in at that follow button. And if you would like access to Free Friday tomorrow, you can DM me on IG. It's my most active platform. Send me a DM on IG, Jdun Trades. If you guys have any questions about trading whatsoever, I answer all of my DMs on IG. It's the only place I will message you back. So JDUN Trades on IG. Make sure you guys go follow. Has a ton of value, and it's where I answer all my DMs. This will drive a normal person insane. Well, good thing we're not normal here. We don't like normal.
So I have 2 red trades, 1 green, 1 flat.
What fun is normal? Normal's not any fun.
Looking for levels of information.
What's up, dog? I thought about trading meme coins. No. So this, yeah, the PA is probing. If you're not using risk management, PA is probing some of y'all today. Not the only one getting probed.
Oh, man. Seriously. Seriously. Fuck.
I was probed by NQ today. There's that NQ. Still moving down. It got close to the orb, never quite touched the orb. Not a ton, just passing the time before I got to head to my appointment. On the higher time frames, this area still looks good for a bounce, but 5 minutes not saying the same. 15 minutes not saying the same. Happy to be slightly green today, though, so I'll take it.
Okay, they're trying to recover its magnitude. Let's see.
Let's go, Spartan. Nice job, bro. I know, that's what I'm watching too. 370s.
ES loans, guys. ES loans. ES loans. Trying to compare with these levels. 638.2.
Right at VWAP in the previous 5 minute. Literally on the line.
Let's see. Higher time frames still say this is bounce area, but 5 minute we got this bear flag forming. I like to see one more push up, some aggressive volume with a close on the 5 minute above 684. $80 to 14 is 34 points of risk. NQ. We've got a trend fighter. Okay, money team. It's your reminder to trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. Let's find ourselves another winner. Gonna mob out in like 30 minutes. Pump it for him. Tell you what, 5 minute, we have a pretty textbook bear flag. If we can invalidate that and move up, we could rip up, but you're flagging. Oh, I'm on the prep. Sure am, Jeff.
Push now. Come on. Push. Come on. Keep going.
Keep pushing for him, baby. Hey, we put those beds together, don't we? That's right. Yeah.
Some more baby. Let's see who can get 639 guys. Yes. This one's 639. Those are the last guys. Done for today. Today's.
Is that bear flag playing out? Who was calling me? Who thinks they can call me during trading hours? That was my worry. It was this bear flag right here. What's the high of this? 86. Take the payouts. Take the payouts, passionate trader. Take the payouts, bro. Trust me. Two. I like shorts next pop up if we don't hit low a day first. Pretty textbook short setup coming in. Pretty textbook short. Low a day already. And we go hit low a day. That was my worry, was that the bear flag, man. It's playing out. I'll be right back, y'all. 2 seconds. Well, maybe a little more. Gene will keep you company. Gene, take over the screen. Go talk to him.
What's up, guys? What's going on? I haven't looked at a chart since I put my computer away. What up, Grizzly? Can you hear me? Pretty good, man. Just enjoying the summer, ready for fall.
Question: Are you the one performing Jdun's colonoscopy today?
Yeah, I am. 100%. I'm Dr. Cruz.
If I couldn't think of the word when I was asking.
That's funny.
Actually, I had another word chose to use, but I chose not to say it live.
Man, I can't believe the market's pushing now down. I had a short at like 740 and I sold way too early. Grizzly asked if I was performing the procedure.
Yes,
I told him yes.
Ugh. Mm.
My shoulder's really killing me today. I think I slept on it.
Damn.
Seen your little drawings on the napkins upstairs.
Like those? Of course, when I get up, I miss the pop-up. I still like shorts until we break above those either 63.86 on ES or 92 on NQ. If you guys took that idea, worked out really nicely. I was in the restroom, unfortunately, due to my prep. $78. Literally. Can't believe I missed that 80 entry in the bathroom. Can't believe I missed that pop-up entry we were talking about in the bathroom. The only thing I like still is the shorts. We've shown no confirmations above those highs. Orb played out right here. Personally missed the entry, but it's all right. And there's low a day. CES. Of course, I missed my freaking short entry for the dump. Dumping in the bathroom. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That was a very expensive dump. No pun intended. That's painful. Oh, that's painful. My bounce on NQ still in play, though. Hey, you just get more followers when you watch me, bro. You get the whole Jdun fan club. It's kind of fun, right? What a textbook bear flag break. And the retest, that 80 area. Man. That was the area. You know, I'm the only one left on Zoom, too. That was the area that pop up that, of course, I missed using the restroom. That was a very expensive dumper. You took that, though. Worked out well. Yeah, it's expensive pain for sure, man. I'm glad the idea worked out. Got a much better read on the market today than I did yesterday, for sure. The only other bounce area I have for demand is 500 to 490. That's it. Yep, the stop would have to be below 455. So 490 to 455, it's a little more risk, like 35 points. It's not bad. I did not trade well yesterday, that's for sure. I did not trade well yesterday. No, I did not. No, sir, I did not. I think we'll get a nice move the rest of the day too. I might not be able to be here to see it, but we will get a decent move. As a reminder, if you use code JDUN on ApexTraderFunding.com, you will receive 80% off. You can trade up to 20 accounts, 1-day pass, and get payout protection. I will always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges and get funded and paid. I do have my procedure today. Yes. Just a little piece, Braden, but it helps. And it helps you guys get discounts and get funded and get payout protection. So it's a win-win. Just blew the funded. No! Come on, bees. Was it with calculated risk or did you just go and tilt? That's what I care about, is if it's calculated risk, it happens. But if it's a massive loss, then revenge, yep, kills the amount. Use this as a lesson, bro. Revenge trading almost never ends well. My whole setup crashed. God always had those hard stops in, man. Yep. Need some Dolph. I mean, honestly, that would have been my short entry. I just was in the bathroom due to my my prep. So it's all right. I likely won't take anything else. We'll see. Had the short idea today, though, so I'm happy about that for sure. Oh, how's everybody's trading day going? How's everyone's trading morning going? You guys staying disciplined? 1 for 1. Nice. Me too. I think that QQQ gap fill or the NQ4 90-ish area could be decent. $5.12. Keep it moving down. Trading is all about patience, guys. You just have to be able to have patience. If you don't have patience, you don't have anything. You must be able to have and maintain patience. Got gap fill on QQQ. And the orb absolutely paid today. I'm bummed I wasn't there for this. This candle right here on NQ, as we went above, failed. This was the entry. I just was in the restroom for it. That was the entry though. Yeah, ES orb was nice. It's just I wanted to see I liked that first try. And the second one, just would have had to have risk on from 93 up to like basically like 404. So it was just a little too much risk for me on ES. I mean, it technically did pay out from if you had that much risk on from that candle close to low day, you could have gotten 2R, a little over actually. But it's a little too much risk. On ES, I like 3 to 5 points. I'm open to, the only place I'm open to longs is at that 4 hour level. If we go to here, let me just show you on screen share. We have this demand down here starting at 500 area down to the low of like 455. So this area I do like for longs on this 500 to 499. It's counter trend, but I like it. Things are going well, bro. Doing good, man. Just waiting. I'm still waiting for my bounce area. I don't like to short unless it's a lower high. This area up here was good for shorts. I just happened to miss it. I was in the restroom. Actually, this was the ideal entry here. See you, Coach Rush. Have a great day, bro. Have a great day, my bro. Super nice liquidity sweep. See if we can get more move out of it. I'd like to see this into this demand area. And maybe this was the touch. We're going to get 510. We'll see. Maybe. Maybe we want 440. I think the 4 hour is going to give it a run for its money, though. Ooh. Where should we go long? I mean, I'm watching. The only area I even am remotely interested in is if we see some reversal at 500, 490. Otherwise, just have to wait. You don't want it as blindly long. No chasing. You have no longs yet. Just wait and stay patient. Trend is down, so it's either macro level confirmation or no trade. What an aggressive move off that low. That 500 was it. That 500 was it. Literally right there, bro. 500 was it. 361, 370. That 500 was it. Literally happened in about a second. That thing ripped. See this 5-minute candle closes. Got to wait for a slight pullback and try longs. I don't like touching directly on. I don't like taking directly on the bounce. I like seeing a little touch, reclaim, and then close. Personally, just increases my win rate if I wait. Let's see, NQ's looking. Trying a small piece of longs, guys. Last trade for the day. Perfect area would be a pullback into, this is a good little higher risk area here, but perfect area would be a pullback into 70 or high 60s, but I gave it a try with that reversal candle. If you're trading NQ, same deal. You can keep lower risk stops below 37. If you want a little more risk, you can keep your stops below that low a day. You just need a little more pullback for entry. Oh, shit. Do we have to go? Well, we're up 2 points. I am going to have to close this trade, guys. I just realized that I have to go to my appointment. So depending on your entry, it's up a point or two. But I have to go, and so I don't want to be sitting in this. It might rip without me. That's fine if it does. I had to close that for a baby gain. I mean, I'm talking baby, infant gain. But I still like the idea. We had this reversal candlestick at this bounce of support. I'm going to have to mob off because I have my appointment I have to be to in an hour. But I like the fact that we bounced aggressive reversal candlestick here and on NQ at this area of support. So I like that for our chances. If we can break above this trend line here for y'all, break through that aggressively, you should see this 15-minute low again. So hopefully you do. Y'all are funny. All right, y'all. Call it 1 for 1 on the day. That one last one didn't really count. Point or two, nothing. So just had to close it. Can't really give it time to play out. I like the idea of it though. If we can break above this trend line here, then I think the chances that we go and touch this 15-minute low are pretty high. So like to see that breakout of 560 on NQ or that breakout of 75 on ES. So trade smart, trade safe. Hopefully we get some nice movement for y'all as soon as I leave, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, all right? Adios, y'all. Peace, everybody. All right, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. I am out of here, my friends. Hopefully the market moves nice for y'all. No positions open for me. I will see you guys tomorrow. Make sure y'all tap and hit that follow button or subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next live stream. Hopefully you can find another winner, a big winner. So, adios, everybody. And as a reminder, too, if y'all want to trade futures with me for a free Friday tomorrow, go to apextraderfunding.com. Use code JDUN for 80% off all accounts. That's right, 80% off all evals. You can trade up to 20. Get the best discount possible, one-day pass, and payout protection. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Hopefully this market has a nice move for y'all. Peace. Thank you guys for being here, everybody. God bless. Peace.